attend a mandatory earthquake preparedness seminar. So, please welcome Ike Trevor. Give it up for Ike, guys. Ike! I'm going to go check on Ike.
I've been here the whole time! That's an earthquake! Any second! Not prepared! Not prepared! You're dead! You! Man, what's your name?
Me?
You, me? You hesitate like that? Your kids are dead!
Excuse me?
That's right, you're not prepared. People you love will die. That's an earthquake. The only way you're going to get ready is to get good with people in your life, okay? That's it, all right? That's the only single way.
I'm sorry, I don't think I track your logic, okay? My kids are perfectly safe and fine in Minnesota.
Okay. Your kids have their hesitation in their genetics, all right? So what's that? Oh, is that a bus? Should I wait? Oh, but the bus, dead! They got plenty of buses in Montana, lady. Plenty of buses.
Minnesota?
Whatever, okay? Solidify the relationships in your life, okay? You get good. I'm good with everybody I know. I'm good.
Like, in the pamphlet here, it says something about ducking cover. Maybe we should just go over that.
Ducking cover, okay? Yeah, a lot of good that's going to do you when your parents don't even know if you love them, okay?
How was I supposed to help me?
I see a question on your face. Hit me with it.
Okay,
Ike Travers, okay? Always use first and last names during your direct. You don't? And guess what? Your best friend from middle school, dead. That's keeping you up at night. That's keeping you up, okay? Go ahead with the question.
Okay, what do we do for safety when an earthquake actually happens?
Okay. The world, it's moving, okay? The world, Earth is moving. It's moving, all right? There's no safety. There's a preparation. How do you do it? You get good with the people you care about, okay? That's
what
the only
about
way.
bottled water and flashlights?
Oh, a flashlight. Wait, you want to get a better look? What is that? A bridge or a building that's about to crush my head? Okay. No, you get good, okay? I'm good with my bro-in-law. I'm good with my pharmacist. I'm good with my Bootzama instructor. I call them up every day. Hey, how's it going? We good? Later, all right? I start making some phone calls. This way, when they're dead, I'm solid. I'm not doing that. I'm solid. I pick up some phones. You want to get ready? I start picking up some phones.
What about CPR? The pamphlet said something about CPR.
Okay, let me tell you something right now. Okay, let me tell you something right now, all right? I frequent a smoothie shop adjacent to my apartment building. Hey, Java J. Maybe you know him, all right? Yeah. I know everybody on that smoothie making staff like I know my own brother-in-law, okay? This way, when they're dead, I don't feel bad. I check in with that guy in the mirror. I check in. I say, hey, and you know what I do? I go right to sleep because I feel good. I'm solid. Me and that guy, we're solid. Everyone in my life, I'm solid. They can die. I'm good. I'm solid. Okay? That's an earthquake. I'm ready.
I think I'm going to go.
Yeah.
No. Yes, pick up some phone.
Whoa! There's an earthquake!
It stopped.
Look, I can't read. All right? I once committed a hit and run in Zion National Park, Utah, July 3rd, 1998. I have ordinary run-of-the-mill sex, and I love all of you no matter what. We good?
There's an aftershock!
I'm ready, baby! I've been super upfront! Take them! I'm solid! Go ahead, let them have it! This is insane!
Hi, Trevors! I got you around from the task.
Aaron Atherton, great seeing you, buddy. Welcome to the
No
episode.
place I'd rather be. And just so you know, my guitar lessons are coming along nicely.
Love to hear that, pal. Oh, yeah, let's take it.
Sheriff Montgomery, I backed into your car last Tuesday. And I did not leave a note. For that, I am sorry.
That's okay. I get it. I eat your sandwiches even though you put your name on them every day. They're really good. I'm sorry.
I forgive you. I'm almost dead, but I forgive you.
I don't work here anymore!
That's really sad, but
She's
right.
Love you, she's good. Love you, get right.
Everybody, we're evacuating